To all my respected teachers. This is Krishna Bhattacharya from Mechanical Engineering first year. I am from group number 10 and my university roll number 17. We were assigned a project to construct a spring using a plastic thread and measure its spring constant using pins as weight, and this is the model that we made.
Firstly, we're going to have to make the spring out of a plastic thread. For this, we wind the plastic thread around a wooden dowel in order to give it the shape of a spring and then tie a knot to secure the winding. Next, we gently and very carefully heat the thread using a candle. This is to ensure that the thread holds the shape of the spring upon removal from the dowel. We then remove the plastic thread from the dowel. Once we have made the spring, it's time to suspend it from the spring stand. We use a keychain ring and a hook from a necklace for this. The spring stand here has been made with PVC pipes and a piece of thermocol has been used to act
This is the model that we made.
Next, and the most important step in this entire experiment is measuring the extension of the spring corresponding to different weights. For this, we first suspend a certain weight from the spring. Here we have taken a pill of 50 mg and note down the pointer reading. This step is then repeated for several different weights such as 100 grams, 150 grams, 200 grams. Now comes the graph. Here we plot the values of the extension of the spring along the x-axis. Then we convert the weight values from milligrams to grams and plot them along the y-axis. Plotting the data we have obtained from the experiment gives us a straight line graph. The slope of this graph then gives us the spring constant of our spring. And thus, here ends our experiment. Thank you, and lastly, and most importantly, I would like to thank my team members Arijit Nath, Piyush Kumar and Nobu Kumar Odhikari for their immense help and cooperation